Hey guys, how you doing? I'm just gonna make a quick video about the steering lock. My car, it was overnight and it won't start. I see right over there the um, panel. I see a key right over here on this side, a light of a key, and at the other side it was a car with the key inside that it was flashing all the time. What does that mean? When you see the red light, is now I fixed the problem. You don't gonna see it right now, but when you're gonna see the key and the it's like a car. It looks like a car and a key inside, and it's red and it's flashing all the time. That means you got a problem with the steering lock, so the car won't start. Because there is something that they put on the steering right here. For thieves, they don't want to be able to steal the car. It's it's some procedure that they do that people, they don't want to steal your car. Anyways, I'm gonna be really quick. This part right here, this part, just put something pointy like a screwdriver or something, and you pry this and you use your fingers. Don't worry about it. You use your fingers and try to open little by little. And when you open it, this is just clamps right there, and there is a screw right over here. Then you use your fingers the same way. I opened this already, but I'm just gonna show you. Use your fingers, and like you open this. There is a screw right here. You don't need to take that screw if you want it, but you don't need to. And this is the mojo. I changed this mojo a long time ago. This is supposed to be right over here. If you want to take this from the junkyard or something like that, right at this side, you see there is two holes. There is these screws. You just pound this thing with the hammer, pound it until those screws are gonna be loose. Then you use your fingers and you start to take this, unscrew this, and this module is gonna be out. Then see this clip right here? You press this clip and you take it off. I don't wanna do it because my car already working. And how are you gonna fix this problem when the car it won't start? This is the problem right here. You gotta press this part right here. You press this in, then you start your car and you're gonna start right away. That's the problem right here. This part over here, it has a problem. Some people, they make a hole right here in between, and they put a screw, so this part is not going to be moving anymore, and you don't going to have that problem anymore. All right guys, I just wanted to make that quick video. Press that with your finger, press the start button, the bottom, and your car is gonna start. I tried different things. I tried this also. I thought it was the brake switch, so I changed the brake switch. That's gonna be another video. Maybe I'm gonna make another video. Is on top of the pedal. Let me see if I can show you, give you more information. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on, temporary. The switch This is the brake pedal, and you go on top. You'll see a hole right here. You follow that hole, you unclick this part. So you use your fingers and you press that click, and then you turn the switch and you take it off. I'm gonna make another video and I'll show you how to take that off, but it basically is that, you know. Let's see if I can show you right here. All right, this is when you press the pedal, you press this part, and sometimes this part is bad. In my case, it wasn't bad. So there is a hole right there. You just turn it, and it's gonna be locked in position. Then you put the switch on it, and that's the way how you gonna change this switch. I'm sorry if you understand what I'm saying, but anyways, I'm gonna try to help. The part number, I went to O'Reilly's. The part number is right here. Focus, bish. Focus. Alright, I don't know if you can see it's 1843, and it has another number, T19276. This is the switch. This is how it looks. $20. O'Reilly's, you know, it's like $9, $7, whatever online, but you go to O'Reilly's and you're gonna find that. I went to Discount Parts and I couldn't find it. They don't have it. They don't sell it over there. Right, guys, thank you so much to watch this video. Do not subscribe. I don't really give a shit about that, but anyways, if I can help somebody, I can help somebody. You know, it was a nightmare. I waited whole night long in my car, tried to figure out what was the problem, and now it's working. I see people, they put the key right here and they start the car. I see the people, they put the key right here. You see, you can place your key right there and you take it off and your car's supposed to start. In my case, that was not the case. I had to remove this panel. It was very easy, you know, just use your fingers, a little bit of force, and you're gonna take that panel out and you're gonna you're gonna press the button in the mojo and your car is gonna start. I don't wanna risk it. I don't wanna do it right now. My car is running. You see, my car is on. My car is on, so I just going home and probably I'm gonna put the screw on it, and I don't want to have that problem anymore. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Be safe during these tough times.